You mind if I join you?
Sure.
Eh, no problem.
Alam mo tong si Harvey, no fun at all.
Tikman mo na lang to para mawala yung init ng ulo mo. This is just a game.
You know what to do. Let's have fun.
I need to go. Han! Han!
Balak mo mamaya.
Ayan na. Ito na yung order ko. Ay, nako, grabe. Nag-enjoy talaga
Or-
last night. Kayo nag-enjoy ba?
Yeah.
Oo, grabe kayo.
Ulit.
Tapa ka pala dito.
Gusto mo na kaya yan? Para...
Tara.
Dali.
Order pa tayo.
Sige, hi.
Ay.
Hi.
Pasensya naman.
Sige, swimming muna kami.
Okay, sige, sige. Okay lang, go.
Go.
Susunod ako. Hi. You mind if I join you?
Sure.
Eh, no problem.
Katie.
Cassie. Hi.
Harvey.
Cassie.
Harvey.
Nice meeting you guys. Okay lang ba? Walang problema?
Oo naman.
Man. Thank you.
You want anything?
No, thank you. Actually, medyo busog pa ako.
Ganyan ah.
Yeah. Ganun talaga.
Okay, go ahead, Let's try this. Han, hindi ko gusto. Mas masarap pa talaga magluto. Ano ba to?
Abraham.
Sa good cook kasi.
Good catch.
I know. Pero sige, kainin na rin natin.
So, are you having fun here?
Hindi nga masyado eh. Until last night.
Okay.
Oops. Guys, relax lang kayo.
Okay, sweet. Sweet mo naman.
Thank you.
Need help?
I'm fine. Cassie, dito ka na mag-shower.
Wow. Your room is really nice, huh? Yeah.
Ito yung bathroom.
Okay. Thank you. Katie, halika. Baka naman gusto mong sabayan na ako dito. Katie! Katie! Halika na.
Go.
Go. It's up to you.
Hi. Harvey! Baka gusto mong sumabay na rin. Harvey! Para tipid tayo sa tubig, sabay na tayo maligo.
Han?
Harvey! Halika na. Sumabay ka na, sayang ng tubig. Ayan.
best time, hon.
I know.
Hi, guys!
Hi, Cass.
Sige, ingat kayo. Alis na pala kayo. Yeah, well, I'm gonna miss you guys.
I'm gonna miss you.
We're gonna miss you.
I hope I'm gonna bump into you guys again in Manila. Yeah.
Ay, Han,
Oh.
I forgot pala yung charger ko na iwan sa lobby.
Ah, okay. Kunin ko lang.
Okay.
Kunin ko lang. Wait lang.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed your time with me.
We enjoyed.
Anyway, here's my number. You can call me anytime.
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 Promise yan,
Yes.
Okay na, hon. Got it.
Okay. So, we're leaving na.
Yes, okay, bye. You guys take care, okay?
You take care,
Yeah.
Cass. Ah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care, Cass. Han, hanggang ngayon di pa rin ako makapaniwala na may nangyari sa atin ni Cassie.
Nagsisisi ka ba?
Actually, no. It was fun, right?
It's fun. It was fun.
So, kung may opportunity mangyayari ulit yun, gagawin po ulit natin?
If it's fine with you, then
Yeah.
why not? Why not? I mean, oo naman. Basta, bawal mag-solo, ha?
Ay, promise, Han.
Promise.
Promise. Alam ko na yan. Nag-iinit ka na naman eh.
No. I love you, hon.
Love you. Sige na, silog ka.
Hi, Katie. How are you?
I'm good. Hello. Ito, tambak ang paperworks after vacation. You?
Wala. Naka-leave pa rin sa work. Kaya I have all the time. Do you wanna hang out? Tara, let's chill.
Okay. Wag mo na.
Han. Han.
Ngayong...
Han, muna ako sunduin later, ha? Pupuntahan ko si ate. Baka nasa kanya nga yung phone ko.
Okay.
Or if not, bibili na lang akong bago.
O sige, basta ingat ka pa uwi.
Mhm. Okay.
Ayan.
Bye.
Hi! How are you?
I lost my phone.
Oh, kaya naman pala hindi ka sumasagot. You know what? I've been calling you. I've been texting you. I was actually worried about you.
Really?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. You?
I'm good. I missed you.
Han!
Hi!
Han.
Hi, Cassie. What are you doing here?
May sinundo akong client.
Ako bibili ako ng phone, di ba?
And then, I saw her, and then I thought, si Katie ba to? And then, yeah, yun nga, paglapit ko siya nga. So,
Wow, what a coincidence. Grabe.
diba?
Kato na lang, since pauwi na rin kami, would you mind joining us for dinner? Magluluto ako para matikman naman yung luto ko. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Sure, okay lang.
Yeah, okay, sige, sure.
Okay sa'yo?
Yeah.
Okay, tara.
Where's your car?
Here.
It's good to see you.
Yeah. Hindi ba nagustuhan yung carbonara?
It's good. Yeah.
Kakapanibagang tahimik yung dalawa eh.
Han,
What? I'm just saying. Bilisan niyo na kaya kumain para pagkatapos yan, let's just drink. And you know what to do, let's have fun.
Han, baka may pupuntahan pa si Cassie.
No, no. Let's have a drink. Diba, Cassie? Cheers.
Tama na. You don't have to drink.
You want some?
No, thank you.
Ano yung password mo? Hindi ko mabuksan eh. Ano yung password?
I need to go.
Po ka. Hindi maganda sa isang bisita ang umalis. Pagkainan, di ba? Hindi ko ba tinuturuan ng nanay mo? Ano yung password?
I have to go.
Di ba yung gusto mo? Han! Tumakin mo na!